We will talk about a completely exclusive airdrop. The Multisynq project promises to be very interesting. In a few words, it's a project similar to Grass, which allows us to sell our unused data and bandwidth. Currently, Grass is in the airdrop phase, but don't worry if you haven't participated yet, the link is available in the video comments. In summary, Multisynq offers the same opportunity, the sale of unused data. Multisynq capitalizes on unused bandwidth and turns it into real revenue. The essence of the project is here, and we are right in the announcement phase, which means we can sign up and get 50,000 tokens directly. Later, this will decrease to 25,000 tokens, then to 5,000 tokens at launch. Registration is currently free, so don't miss it. Regarding the project itself, it's an innovative platform that actively rewards our online activity by using our bandwidth to generate income. Multisynq is a pioneer in this technological change, supported by a decentralized architecture and robust security protocols. Once on the registration page, you can choose to sign up with your email address and password, or simply log in with your Google account. Then, enter your name and surname. I generally recommend using a pseudonym. Once registered, you will receive 5,000 points. Furthermore, you can earn additional rewards by sharing your referral link. For now, referrals are the only way to earn points. You will also find a FAQ to answer your questions. In summary, Multisynq's airdrop is a quick and easy opportunity that only takes a few minutes. You can sign up now to take advantage of this offer before the summer launch. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, and join the Telegram groups to stay informed.